everyone, my name is Anthony Tirang. I am from class 2. Today I am going to deliver a speech about duty of a student. The first and foremost duty of a student is to study. Besides this, every student should do some social. A student should have many qualities which will attract others to follow him. A student must be well disciplined, well behaved. With this few words, I conclude my speech. Thank you.